easy for me. If I know that today, I gon' get them tomorrow. 1 for the money, 2 for the dough, 3 for the shorty, now I don't blow. 1 for the money, 2 for the dough, 3 for the shorty, now I don't blow. If you wanna get bumped and you don't get bumped,
wine for me, take it slow. Do you wanna wait for the door? I'm a rock star, yes you know. When I enter, they go down low. Oh yeah, Caro, I me pass claro. You a diva, yes I know. It be you who I'm talking to. No. Give me loving, no. Cause I'm love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. So today's makeup look, as you guys can already tell from the title, we have two things going on in this video. So today we're going to be doing a Pride Month inspired makeup look, which is the rainbow look that's been going around, and we are also going to be using the Technic dupes for the Huda Beauty palette. So right here I have 5 of them. This is the 5 that Rainbrow Technics came out with, so I decided to get all 5 of them, and I used every single one of this palette to create this look you guys see me rocking right now. So yeah, I don't know if I should touch on them quickly. So we got the nude one right here with the nude colors, and it looks something like this on the inside. And then we got the red one, it looks something like this on the inside. And then we got the purple shades right there, and then we got the blue shades. Oh, every time I open this I'm like, wow, I just love it. And then we have the green shade as well right there. So those are the 5 palettes we ended up using for this eye makeup look today. I don't want to say a lot at the beginning because I know you guys are not here to listen to me talk. I'm just gonna let you guys go, and before I do that, as always guys, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to also subscribe if you know you're subscribed to my channel. It's easy to subscribe and it's free, and when you do subscribe guys, make sure you also turn on your bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video on this channel. And I think that's that. So without any further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go, and we're gonna jump into the interesting part, which is this makeup look right here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. First thing I'm gonna do as always is my face. While I was at London, I went into Fenty Beauty to get some products from her because I kept getting my foundation shade wrong every time I ordered online. So I was like, while I'm in London, I might as well just go into one of the stores that sells her product. So I did pick up some of her stuff, and I'm going to use some of them today. I don't think I'm going to use the foundation today. I'm going to try a different foundation today. I feel like with that foundation as well, because I went to what is that called, Suffrage & Co or something, I can't remember if that's what it's called. I went in there to get the Huda Beauty foundation, and I feel like I didn't really ask the staff there. I just picked what I wanted to pick and got because we're in a hurry. I feel like it's going to be too dark for me, but still we're going to use it today and brighten it up later on with concealer, or like, you know how Dipbrow always does her stuff when the color is not a shade. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to start by priming my face with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer right here. I was like, I might as well just buy the face primer since I wanted to buy the, you know, foundation and concealer. So we're gonna use this. A lot of people say this is amazing, so I can't wait to see the finished result of this. So we're just gonna go straight in to priming our face. Yeah, it has a smell to it. I like that. Some people say they don't like fragrance in their product, but I really don't mind it because I don't know, there are some that could be overpowering, but there's some that could be quite refreshing. I feel like this one is not a very strong smell, to be sincere with you. I think we're ready. So for foundation today, like I already mentioned, I'm going to be trying my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Cinnamon 440G. This is going to be really dark on me. You guys don't have to say it. I tried it after I came back. Like, I noticed like, that ain't your shade there, bro. See what I'm saying? This is a very red shade. I don't know why I keep making a mistake when it comes to foundation. I always go for a red shade because I don't know if you guys notice it, I have like a golden undertone and that deceives me a lot, and I go buy something that is too red for me. Like, I don't know, that actually is not looking bad as I thought. Is it because of the lighting around me? Wow, it's really it actually turned out really red than I thought it was gonna be. To be sincere with you guys, I'm not the kind of person that when I do my makeup the foundation is gonna be like the reason why I'm going to end up with a shade, because I put a lot of things over my foundation which changes the color at the end of the day. As long as the foundation formula is good and I'm getting that flawless base, that's all I need. I don't care if it's too dark or it's too light. Like, I always know how to get around with it. So ooh, that's actually not bad. The finish is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. It has a beautiful finish. So for concealer today, I'm going to be trying my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer. I already had one and I told you guys I love the formula to it, but I just wanted to get a different color. This is in the shade 360. Hopefully this is actually a bright concealer for me. Let's see. Okay, that is actually a right amount of brightness we need right there. So we're going to use this to conceal like we normally do. Loving the finish of my skin so far, not gonna lie. That is a perfect finish right there. I don't think the Huda Beauty color I picked is that bad because I know I can make do of it later on. So just for the sake of trying to see if this is my shade or not, I might actually end up getting a shade higher than cinnamon, yeah, so I can see what is what, because I'm new to Huda Beauty line. So right now we're going to cream contour, and to do that today I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio, and I'm going to be using the shade Truffle to, you know, cream contour. As always with Fenty, because it's quite dry, the first layer we need to warm it up on the back of our arm before we go in, and you have to work quite quick. So I made a mistake by drawing all over my face, and then they're quite hard to blend out, so now I just work one at a time. So I do this side and then I do the other side. That's what I do now. So let's do my forehead now then. Now we're gonna do the nose with the leftover on my arm. I'm not gonna go into the product because I don't like my nose contour to be harsh. If you guys notice, my nose contour are quite subtle. Okay guys, so now that that is done, we're gonna whip out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Banana. So I was like, yeah, we might as well go all the way with the complexion product since we are at Fenty Beauty, and that's what I did. So now we're gonna quickly set our cream contour, and to do that I'm gonna be using my Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Tobacco. So guys, for our eye makeup look today, we're gonna be using this palettes right here. I don't know how to even do it to show you lot. There's 5 of them. So this is what we're going to be using to get our rainbow eye makeup look today. We're going to start by priming my eyes. Tarte Shape Tip Concealer in what shade is this? Tan Sand, to prime our eyes. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into the purple eyeshadow right here. Yeah, I'm gonna go into this purple color right there. So I'm packing this on first, like so. Pack on setting powder, and I'm just gonna put some underneath my eye. So now we're gonna go into the blue palette right here. Picking up this blue right here. Yeah, this one. Place this at the front of that. Don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. So now we're gonna go into our green palette. We're grabbing this green next. This one right here, it's a matte shade. And then we're gonna be placing this down. We're not blending it yet. We just want our colors to show. The whole point of this is for us to have our color we want. So we are just placing this down at the moment. It's my green palette, and we're gonna pick up this green right here, this one, and we're gonna place this in my inner tear dot area. Perfect. So I'm gonna grab a nice fluffy brush and start blending them upwards like so. Now we are moving on to this eye. We are going to be doing the bright side now. So the first shade I'm going to be picking up is this matte red. This orange right here, this is the nude palette. Go into our blue palette and just gonna switch the brush over anyways, and we're gonna pick this lemon color right here. So I'm just gonna grab a clean fluffy brush again. All my brushes are gonna be dirty when we're done, and then I'm gonna just start blending this upwards. Before we do the finish face and everything, I just want to go in and finish off my face quickly because we are done with them fallouts for the day. So now I'm gonna go into my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder foundation to finish up my face. Okay guys, since my face has been restored to the way I want it, I'm just gonna quickly line my eyes. To help me line my eyes today, I'm gonna be using my Hand and Candy Walk the Line liquid eyeliner. So this is the serum and this is the liner. I'm gonna be using the liner again today to line my eyes. So let's go. So now I'm going to be applying my mascara. I'm going to be using my Max Factor mascara right here. I'm going to be applying this to my top lashes for the time being. So guys, for lashes today I'm going to be using something dramatic because this eye makeup is quite dramatic as well. So yeah, I'm going to be using my AliExpress lashes. I think the writing looks like Chinese, so it's a Chinese lashes right here. Just gonna go off camera and pop on my lashes and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back, to finish up this face with you guys. Okay guys, now that our eyebrows and our lashes are all done, we are gonna move on to our under eyes. So we're gonna start by lining our eyes with my Lancome eyeliner in black. So I'm gonna grab my purple brush, and then we're gonna blend that into our under eye like so. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna apply our mascara to our bottom lashes. I'm just gonna quickly finish off my face with my rose water face mist. Guys, while I'm still a bit damp, I'm gonna start highlighting my face. I'm gonna go into my Primark highlighter. We're gonna be using this two shade today to highlight our face. Okay, I'm gonna set my face one last time so everything melts in together. Now I'm gonna move to the final step, which is the lips. So I'm gonna start by lining my lip with my Primark lip liner in the shade Brown Wink. Okay guys, for our lips today we're gonna be doing 3 concoctions. Right, it's gonna be a mixture of everything. Right now we're gonna start with Malt. It's a dark brown color and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte liquid lipstick. In the middle of that, we're gonna go in with another Anastasia Beverly Hills matte liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Naked. Beautiful, and I feel like this eyes is going to look even better with a gloss, so I'm going to go over that with my professional sparkling lip gloss. This is how it looks like right here.